Buenos días, aquí el señor Figueroa. Hoy vamos a continuar trabajando con la gramática y la escritura y vamos a trabajar con palabras de preguntas. Today we are going to start working with Spanish question words because we've been working with grammar and writing. Now this is a quick review of something we've done in the past in the classroom. Okay, so let's start with ¿qué? ¿Qué? ¿Qué means what? And then we have quién, which is who. We have cuándo, when, cuál, and cuáles, which cuál means which, y cuáles means which ones. We have cuánto o cuánta, cuántos o cuántas, how much and how many. Now, I want you to notice that here we have both feminine and male, boys, girls and boys, because it has to match what it is that you're asking. Okay, so if you're asking about something that in Spanish is a girl, you got to use the question form as a girl. If you're asking on something that is a boy, you got to use the boy form, the male form. Okay, so keep that in mind. And you really only do that one with cuánto, cuánta, cuántos, cuántas. Then you have cómo, which is how, dónde, which means where, y por qué, which means why. Now, another thing that you got to notice, how also can mean what. All right, so keep that in mind. Usually we only use it for how, but it also means what. Now, I'm going to show you how we answer these questions. Okay, I'm going to show you how we answer these questions in a complete sentence. And this is going to help you see what it is that I'm talking about when it's going to help you with the grammar and writing. So aquí vemos varias preguntas. We see a few questions. And one of them is, ¿qué fecha es hoy? ¿Qué fecha es hoy? So la fecha de hoy es 27 de abril. ¿Qué fecha es hoy? What's today's date? Hoy es 27 de abril. And you see me using the question to answer it. Okay? Hoy es 27 de abril. ¿Cuál es tu clase favorita? ¿Cuál es tu clase favorita? Which is your favorite class? Well, I'm talking about something that is mine. So, mi clase favorita es español. Mi clase favorita es español. But, I mean, of course, when you answer that question, you got to answer it according to which one is your favorite class. ¿Qué clase no te gusta? Well, ¿qué clase no me gusta? Libro nada. La clase que no me gusta la matemática. No me gustan las matemáticas. And now, notice this. Matemáticas ends with S. Okay? Ends with S. So here, la and gusta, well, that's singular. And everything in Spanish needs to match. So I need to make gusta into a plural form. So I will have to say, no me gustan. And then las into las. No me gustan las matemáticas. See, now everything matches. Because in Spanish, if a sentence is singular, everything has to be singular. If a sentence is plural, everything has to be plural. The only exception is when you have neutral in there. ¿Cómo se llama tu maestro favorito? Bueno, mi maestro favorito es la señora Martínez. That's my favorite teacher. She was my favorite teacher. That's my favorite teacher's name. She was my favorite teacher ever. I love her to death. So again, I'm using the question to answer it in a complete sentence. Maestro favorito es. Maestro favorito. Okay. Maestro favorito. Es means is la señora Martinez. Now, there's something you have to know, remember. When you are writing, it's going to be different than when you are speaking. So, ¿qué fecha es hoy? Hoy es 27 de abril. That one you use whether you are speaking or writing. But when you're talking about to somebody, when you're talking to somebody about whatever, something, in this case, school, when you say, ¿cuál es tu clase favorita? If you're writing it, you should always do a complete sentence. But if you're going to just answer the question, you could say, español. ¿Cuál es tu clase favorita? Español. Complete sentence. Let's say somebody asks you, ¿qué clase no te gusta? Which class you don't really like? You can say, las matemáticas. Math. No me gustan las matemáticas. Again, that's my answer. When you see questions, you got to remember, you got to answer it your way. ¿Cómo se llama tu maestro favorito? Well, what's your favorite teacher's name? Señora Martinez. Okay, Señora Martinez. Again, when you speak, you could just give the answer right away. It doesn't have to be a complete sentence unless you want to make a point of telling the person, like, this is really my favorite teacher. So then you would do it this way. Mi maestro favorito es la señora Martinez. Now, I did say everything has to match. Well, maestro, when we're talking about, remember, when we're talking about something that is mixed, even if you have 1,000,000 girls and one boy, you have to use the boy form of the word. And being that here I'm asking you who's your favorite teacher, I have to ask you with the boy form, with the O. And favorito needs to match. See? Then here, mi maestro favorito es la señora Martinez. Well, señora has an A at the end. So, can this be acceptable? Yes, but rather you should always change it to make it all female, to make all a girl sentence. Mi maestra favorita es la señora Martinez. So this, even though ends in A, is the same as this that ends in O. Because in the question is asking you, who's your favorite teacher? And remember, when you are asking a question in general, or the answer is going to be mixed, then you always use the boy form. But when you're going to give the answer, in this case, my answer was a lady, then I make the sentence into a girl form. And this is the same as this. All right? So keep that in mind. We'll keep talking about female and male as time goes by. But, either way, it's acceptable right now because you guys are learning this. So, that's no problem. Okay, we'll get better as time goes along. All right? If you have any other questions, let me know. Go into the Related Arts Teachers question sheet, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Have a great week. Stay safe. Wash your hands. I miss you guys. I hope to see you soon. Adios.